In this video I'm going to show you how to import Excel data into Acccess 2013 table, and also how to export Acccess 2013 table into Excel sheet, and then show you how to format. During the process I'm going to show you how to format the important and key fields appropriately, so that we can get started quickly on the Acccess database. So on the external tab here, external data tab, select the Excel. You can select other fields if you select more. You have SharePoint list, data services, HTML, Outlook, but we're going to import Excel sheet. So once you click that, you've got to select and browse where your Excel data sheet is, and then select the correct Excel sheet. Make sure it's Excel, in this case it's Excel here. Open, and then import source data into new table in the current database. That's what we're going to do. So our database is here, and this is where you're going to import the data. Select OK. So you're going to go through wizardry. Now once you're on the second wizard content, make sure that you select the first row contains column headings, and here a result of that would be to select individual fields for the database, and we're going to use this column for the primary key. So select next. Because they're all individual, every order ID is unique, we're going to say there's no duplicates. And also our data type is integer, whole number, integer, and then we can click on next, and it automatically gives you let Acccess add primary key. Make sure you take that off and choose my own primary ID key, and make sure you select order ID as the primary key. And if you want to select something else, then you can do that, but in this case, because it's unique, we have selected that. Click next, and you can change the name of the table. I would like wizard turn. It's not necessary. Finish, and don't need to select that if you don't want to. If you want to do things quickly, and just to prove that it has been imported, double click that, and we can see all the things, and we can right click and see the design view, and we can see the number as the primary key selected, and you can change the data type if you want. But now what you want to do, we want to export this orders table into a different area just to prove that it's not there. So let me just show you, just to prove that it's not there, we're going to create an area, say database. We'll make sure there is an orders table there. I'm going to delete that. Delete, so that there is no orders in here, and we're going to export the data, export our table in Acccess as an Excel sheet. So external data, select that option again, select Excel, then browse to where you want the data to be. So in our case, in my Z drive database, this is where I'm going to export the data as an Excel workbook. You can export it as 595, 97 workbook, and then save. Okay, so just to double check and prove that information is there, you close it. So this stays in whether it's there or not in the Excel. So this is where it is in the database. There is our orders table. There it is. And if we open up spreadsheet, you'll be able to see the orders table is there. My machine is a little bit slow, but you'll be able to sort of prove it to yourself by just doing it. So this is my orders table, and you can see it's represented here.